Dreamers. So today I'm taking a break from doing the bathroom because I was asked to do a collaboration with this company for a pressure washer. So if I can get this opened, maybe. Oy. Okay, so this is an electric pressure washer. The brand name on it YerYork, YerYork. It's got a 1-year warranty for standard warranty and an extended warranty of 2 additional years. So 3 years from the original purchase date. If the extended warranty is if any part of your product is found to be defective due to manufacturing issues or normal wear and tear within the extended warranty period, we will provide free replacement or spare parts as the case may be. So I need to register for that online. Let's see what we got here. Hoses. Oh, I like how it's all thing to wrap the hoses up. Coil the hoses up. Let's see, here's the wand. And the pressure washer. And we still have more things in here. A handle. Wand tips. That's for soap. And I think that's what holds the wand in place, but I'll read it and see. So I'm going to read the directions. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse. I will read the directions, put this thing together, and we'll check it out and see how well it works. I'll be right back. So the assembly for this pressure washer was super easy. It was just basically snapping on parts and screwing them into the unit. So if you can screw a screw into an object, then you can put this together. It was really, really simple. I wanted to give you some more specs on this pressure washer. It is 2.5 gallon per minute. 18 pounds is the total weight. It comes with 4 nozzles, a 40-degree nozzle, 25-degree nozzle, 15, and then 0. You would use a 0 for like spots on cement or whatever, and the 40-degree one is the one that you would use on a car. I wouldn't go any higher on the car or truck or whatever, unless you have a truck that looks like mine. So otherwise it'll damage your paint. But yeah, the 40-degree spray, it's just a wide spray and works really well on cars. You use it with cold water only. It's not for use with hot water. And there's also a service and support website. So if you have any questions about the unit or can't figure out how to work something on it, then you can always call them. It was super easy to figure out. I never needed to call them. The maximum PSI for water pressure is 150 PSI, so don't go higher than that. This is the model YE005. Okay, y'all, I am all muddy and gross and remembering to never pressure wash with my mouth open. It was going fine until I got to the bed of the truck and there was a bunch of mud in there that I decided to pressure wash out of, and of course it sprayed back and got me, which is why you should wear protective coating for your eyes and stuff, but yeah, I didn't. I really like that pressure washer. It has the same power as my other pressure washer, but it's lightweight and it has all the hangers and stuff. You know, I like the roll up for the hose that my other pressure washer didn't have. In fact, there was nowhere on there to hang a hose, so I'd have to detach the hose and keep it separately, which is, knowing me, I'd lose the hose. So this way I can keep it all attached. I forgot to put the soap bottle away, but this is what it did for my truck. Obviously, my truck is, well, this is Frankenstein. He's like all different colors, red, white, blue, gray, rust, whatever. For now, he's all different colors. Won't be for long, which is part of the reason why I was pressure washing it. There was a lot of pitch from the trees, the sap and stuff from the trees that was all over it. So the hood of it was like black and it's supposed to be gray. And anyhow, I really like how it worked. I didn't soap up the truck or anything because I'm not ready to do anything with it yet, but I wanted to try and get most of that pitch off, mainly off the windows too, because it was getting hard to see out the windows. So all that pitch is gone, and well, most of it's gone, and someday soon, project in the future. But yeah, I'd like to pressure wash it and get it all one color. We'll see. Way in the future. There will be a link in the description below for the pressure washer. I'm trying to remember the name of it, but I'll leave the name of it and the link to the pressure washer in the description below. So go check it out. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for hanging out with me.